learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management, a top PGDM school in Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to discuss Math 2022 Mathematical Skills question paper. Already, we have uploaded Math September 2022 question paper analysis. Following that, in this video, we are going to discuss mathematical skills based 10 questions in this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and watch this video till the end to know more about the shortcuts. The first question is, if the dimension of a room 6 meter into 2 meter into 3 meter, find the length of the longest rod that can be placed in the room. See here, they have given length, breadth and height of the room, right? That they have given length, breadth and height of the room. When they ask for the longest rod, it should cover, the longest rod will cover the length, breadth as well as height. So the answer is, it is very simple. L square plus B square plus H square. So what is 6 square? 36 and 2 square 4 and H square, that is 3 square is nothing but 9. So you'll get 36 plus 13. So 49. Square root of 49 is nothing but 7 meter. So 7 meter is your answer. Right? So to find the longest rod, when they give you 3 dimensions like length, breadth and height, you have to use this formula. It is just similar to finding a diagonal of a square. We know that a square is a 2-dimensional object, right? So a square has only its length and breadth. And in case of square, all these 4 sides are equal, we'll assume length is equal to breadth is equal to as A. Okay. And if all the sides are A, and if we apply Pythagoras theorem, the diagonal of a square is nothing but square root of A square plus A square is nothing but square root of 2A square. So A root 2 is the square root of the, A root 2 is the diagonal of a square, right? So similarly, if they give you 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height, it is just enough if you square and add the values and take a square root for that answer. So your answer for this question is 7 meter. Let us go to the next question. In a triangle ABC, D and E are points on AB and AC. Let us consider a triangle ABC. And D and E are points on AB. See, on AB, it is a point is D is there, and on AC, a point E is there. Just draw a line parallel to BC. And in the next line itself, they have given DC is parallel to BC. So DE and BC are parallel. Okay. And they have given you like, if AD is equal to x minus 1 centimeter and AE is equal to x plus 1 centimeter and D is equal to 2x minus 3 centimeter and CE is equal to 2x centimeter. See, if we draw a line inside a triangle which is parallel to the third side and the line intersects the other two sides, you should know that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. What is AD? X minus 1 by 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 1 by 2x. Okay, just solve this. So it is enough. They are asking finally x value, right? So 2x into x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 into 2x minus 3. Okay, so multiply inside 2x square minus 2x. Here you will get 2x square minus 3x and plus 2x minus 3. So I can cancel 2x square and 2x square in both the sides, and then I'll get minus 2x is equal to minus 3x minus 2x is nothing but minus x, right? Minus 3. And minus 2x plus x is equal to minus 3. So minus x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to, I'll get it as 3 centimeter as my answer. Okay, so the answer for this question is 3 centimeter. Okay, now let us go to the next question. See, Yash bought 20 dozen pens and sold them at a profit equal to selling price of 16 pence. Find his profit. See, he bought 20 dozen pens. So 20 dozen pens is nothing but 1 dozen, I know it is 12. And if it is 20 dozen pens, it is nothing but 20 into 12. 20 into 12, 240 is the answer. And sold them at a profit equal to selling price of 16 pence, right? And see here. And he sold them at a profit. So his profit is what? 16 pence is the profit. And totally he has sold 240. So 16 by 240 into 100 is your answer. Right? 16, you can cancel 16 and 240 in terms of 8 table. If you cancel in terms of 8 table, you'll get 2 times and 30. Again, if you cancel 1 by 15. So 100 by 15. If I take 100 by 15, 75, 97 times, 96 times, okay? You'll get a percentage around 6. There is no value which is around 6. So option D is your answer. Okay, so option D is your answer. Now, let us move to the next question. In what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of pulses, 65 kilogram and 120 kilogram respectively, so as to give a mixture worth 85 kilogram? See, it comes under the topic allegation. You can draw a diagram like this, and in the left corner, okay, in the leftmost top corner, you should write the lowest value. See, you're going to mix two varieties, right? One is 65 rupees per kg, the other one is 120 rupees per kg, right? Here you're going to mix two varieties. So the first lowest variety is 65, write it here. And another lowest variety is 120, right on the topmost right corner. And the mixture of worth, you should write it at the center. The mixture value, always you should write it at the center, 85. And here the value comes to be 120 minus 85. And here 85 minus 65. So 120 minus 85 is nothing but 35, and here it is 20. So 7:4 is the answer. Okay, what is the answer? 7:4. Okay, next, the fifth question. A started business with 52,000, and after 4 months, B joined him with 39,000. So A started a business with 52,000, right? And B started a business with 39,000. At the end of 1 year, see, A has invested for the whole 1 year, it includes 12 months, and B has invested for just 8 months. Okay, the profit they will share in this ratio only. Okay, if I cancel this 3, we can cancel. You can cancel 39 and 52 in terms of 13 table. It is 3 times and it is 4 times. And again, you can cancel 3 and 12 4 times, right? And again, what you can do, it is 2 times and it is 1 time. So 4:2. They should share profit in the ratio of 2:1, right? And B received 20,000, including for 25% of the profit as commission. See, 25% in the total profit, 25% they have given as commission, and remaining 75% they have shared between A and B. Anyway, they have given this 25% to B only. Okay, so if I take the ratio for these both values, 3:1 will be the ratio. And A and B, they are going to share the amount in the ratio of 2:1 that we have found out. So just think of 2 plus 1 part, totally 4 parts. Okay, so 2 parts for A, and for B, 1 part for investment and 1 part for running the business. So, okay, totally 20,000 makes 2 parts, and same 20,000 will be for A. Okay, so option is A. That is your answer. Okay, so to find out the profit share, you have to multiply investment and time period. Keep this in mind. Investment and time period you should multiply. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. What is the greatest number which will divide 51, 124 and 77 to leave as remainder 3, 4, and 5. The greatest number which will divide 51, 124, and what? See, if I divide 51 by x, I'll get the remainder as 3. And if I divide 124 by x, I'll get the remainder as 4. And if I divide 124 by 5, 77 by 5, 7 by x, I'll get the remainder as 5. So they're asking what is the greatest number? Okay, see, if you try with 18, 51, 48, 51, 18, 36, and 54, you will get definitely remainder only 3. Okay, so 18 is not my answer. If I take 36, 36 two times, I'll get 72. So 51, it is not possible. And if I take 12, if you divide 51 by 12, quotient is 4 and remainder is 3, right? And similarly, if you divide 124 by 12, quotient is 10 and remainder is 4, right? If you divide 124 by, 77 by 12, 72, 6 times, right? And remainder you'll get as 5. So 12 is the answer for this question. Okay, so 12 is the answer for this question. Now, we'll move on to the next question. A triangle having its sides 3:4:5. See, it comes under Pythagorean triplet, 3 plus 4. So if to find out the hypotenuse, it should be 3 square plus 4 square. So which is equal to 9 plus 16. So square root of 25, which is equal to 5 meter. So right angle triangle is your answer. Right angle triangle is your answer. Next, in the business A and B invested amounts in the ratio 3:2, whereas the ratio between amounts invested by A and C is 5:4. 55,000 was their profit. How much amount did B receive? Here you have to find out the ratio, right? For A is to B is 3:2. And you'll get B is to A is nothing but 2:3. And again, I know that A is to C is nothing but 5:4. If I combine these two ratios, 2:3, 5:4. Okay, 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15 you should multiply and 3 4s are 12. Okay, 10, 15, 12 is the ratio of B is to A is to C. Okay, so if the ratio is 10 is to 15 is to 12, the total parts, you should, for finding out the total parts, you should add all the values, which is 10 plus 15 plus 12. What is 10 plus 15 plus 12? 25. 25 plus 12? 37. Okay, now, so what is the profit amount? 55,000. And they're asking for B. The total parts is 37. B has 10 parts. Okay, 55,000, I think 500. 55,500 is the answer. So just divide 37 as it is. If I divide 37 as it is, I'll get 55 one times. Okay, so you can divide 555 by 37. So 1 times 37. What is 15 minus 7? 8. You'll get 185. So 185 is nothing but 5 times of 37. So 15,000 is your answer. Okay, right? The share received by B is 15,000. Right? We'll move on to the next question. Now, see here, 4 taps A, B, and C and D are filled in the cistern. Okay, the empty cistern is filled by the tap. Cistern is nothing but water tank. Okay, the empty cistern is filled by tap in 2 hours, 3 hours, and 6 hours. The full cistern is emptied by the tap in 4 hours. If all the 4 taps are open simultaneously, then the empty cistern will be filled up in how many hours I'm asking. So what is the LCM for 2, 3, 6, and 4? 12 is the LCM. Okay, a tap can fill a cistern in 2 hours. Okay, in 1 hour it will fill, if the total parts is 12 parts. In 1 hour it will fill 6 parts. And B tap will fill the cistern in 3 hours. Okay, it will take 3 hours to fill. So 12 by 3 is what? 4 parts will get filled. And C cistern 6 hours. So 12 by 6, 2 parts only get filled. And D, what it will do? D, it will empty the tap in 4 hours, right? So 12 by 4, 3 parts will be emptied for every 1 hour. Okay, if I take for first hour, 6 plus 4 plus 2, these 3 taps will fill the tank. Okay, you'll get 12. 12 minus 3 is what? 9 parts. Okay, 9 parts will be filled in how many hours? 1 hour. And remaining, how many parts I have to fill? It is around 3 parts. Okay, it is around 3 parts. So in 1 hour, 9 parts I can fill. Okay, remaining 3 parts can be filled in 3 by 9 hours. It is nothing but 1 by 3 hours. Okay, that is a thing. Next, in a company, there are 7 CAs, 6 MBAs, and 3 engineers. In how many ways can they make a committee if there are 2 members from each other? So 2 members from CA. Then you have to do 7C2. You are going to select, right? 7C2 into and 2 members from MBA, 6C2 into 3 from engineers. So 7 into 6 divided by 2 into 1 into 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. 2 cancel. 2 1 times 6 times. 2 1 times 6 times. So what is 7 3s are 21 into 3 into 5, it is nothing but 15 into 3. So 21 into 45. So 21 into 45, I'll get 945 as my answer. So your answer is 945. I hope this video was very useful. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We are going to discuss the complete Math 2022 questions in our upcoming videos. So definitely these videos will be helpful for your preparation towards MAT 2022 as well as 2023. So your next MAT is on December, is in the month of December. So all the best students. Thank you all.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.